Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, which you probably will be considering this is only my second video. Hi, my name is Tamara and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that red button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, I won't really talk too much because this video is an unboxing, so let's just get to the unboxing. I've got it just here. So this was a surprise from my husband. He ordered it online for me, so it comes in the brown box in the mail. I'm like 98% sure I know exactly what it is though, because I had kind of dropped a few hints about some bags being discontinued. I shared that with my husband and just kind of said, you know, like I'd be kind of sad if it was. It kind of sucks. But I didn't really expect him to get online and order it, especially because it's usually not in stock. So I guess he just got lucky. So it comes, when you order it online, it's really cool because they still send you like the bag as though you purchased it in store. This is the box. Whoa! Leave me a comment down below, real quickly, pause the video, pop down into the comments and take a guess. What do you think it is? Or what item do you think is being discontinued? There's been a lot of talk that the Favourite is being discontinued, the Pochette Matisse is being discontinued, the Neverfull, the Aina, I think is how you say it. There's a bunch of them that are apparently being discontinued. Let me know down below what you guys, let's get to it. So it's got the pretty bow. I'm just going to see if I can slide that off right there, and then it's the magnetic closure box, which is very cool. So we'll get this open. He did tell me that, my husband told me that there was a note that I had to read first. Oh, that's really sweet. So there's a little, it comes, the receipt, if you're familiar, comes in this little pouch here. So that just has like the receipt, gift receipt. It's got a return docket because you bought it online in case you want to return it. It's got, yeah, the returns policy. And then there's this little note in here, which is from my husband. And it just says on it, from the bottom of our hearts, we love you, Mama, forever and always. So that's really sweet. Okay, so here it is in the beautiful dust bag. Do you guys know what it is? Oh, it feels so good. So this is it, the beautiful dust bag. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Let's unveil the dust bag. And are we ready? What do you guys think it is? If you guessed, the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, yes. Oh my gosh, oh, it's stunning. So this is the Demier Ebene canvas with the, oh, it just feels so good, with the rose ballerine interior in the MM size, so that's the medium size. So there's the PM, the MM, and the GM. The GM is the biggest size, the PM is the smaller size. Although with that talk of stuff being discontinued, I do believe the PM size will be phased out first. I think already online, on the Australian website online, the monogram canvas PM is no longer even listed or available to even click on. But here it is. Again, we'll take a quick look at it. So that's the bottom of the bag. There's no feet on this bag. It's just the plain canvas. So I guess you kind of have to be a bit cautious if you're placing it down on things. This is the Demier Ebene, which means that there is also no natural leather, no vachetta on the bag. The monogram comes with that light colored vachetta on the bag, which patinas over time, but also you have to be really cautious around it in, you know, around water, rain, wet weather, snow, anything like that, because you'll get water spots on the bag. So that's just something to keep in mind if you are considering a Neverfull and you're kind of like torn between what canvas to get, because I think half the reason I honestly never pulled the trigger on this bag was because I went back and forth so many times, like, I'm gonna get it in the monogram, no, I'm gonna get it in the Demier Ebene, no, I'm not, I'm gonna get it in the azul. And I just went back and forth so much that I guess went away from it for a while. But I'm so happy that he got it for me in the Demira bin. As I said, that just means I can be really carefree with it. I don't have to worry about it. I can just grab it and go. I don't need to think about, oh gosh, is it gonna rain today or anything like that. It comes with, oh, isn't that beautiful? It comes with the little, I'm not really sure what they call this actually, but it's like a little clutch and it just attaches to the inside of the bag. You can see here, there's like a little attachment there and it just clips on and clips off. So I'll take that off really quick and we'll just take a look at that. Whatever bag you get has different interior colors, so the little accessory matches. So it's got that beautiful rose ballerine on the inside there, and it's actually really cool because it's got like a little pocket there too. So that's really awesome. But yes, so that's the bag. It's beautiful. I think that this bag is just such a versatile bag. I think that you can use it in many different ways. That it's just, it's worth the money in that sense, because I feel like you're gonna get your money worth in it because you're going to be using it so much. So there it is. You can also cinch it in on the sides here. So you just grab the little tab here and then you just pull that in, bend that in. I'll just quickly do it for you here. And then what that does is it changes the look of the bag too. So you can kind of change it up a little bit if you want it to. You see how that's cinched in there, just like that. Nice and easy. So if you did that on the other side really quickly. The bag, it gets a little bit smaller too, so if maybe you aren't carrying as many things in the bag, you could cinch it in and there you go. And I think it'll look really cute like that. I probably plan to wear it both ways, just depending. You pull those out. Yeah, that's really about it. Let me know, do you guys have a Neverfull in your collection? Are you considering maybe purchasing the Neverfull? If you are, what print are you gonna get? What canvas? I'm always interested to know what other people choose and the reasons behind why they chose that canvas, because it is such a hard decision. I'm so excited to use my Neverfull. I will insert some mod shots of me wearing it for you guys so you can get an idea of what it looks like on. For reference, just so you know, I'm about just under 5'4", and like a small build, small frame, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. This was such a special unboxing to me, and a big thank you to my husband for surprising me with this. I truly appreciate it, so thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And have a great day, guys. Make it count, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.